Hey dolls, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wreath DIY video. I'm going to be making two wreaths, but in the second video I'm going to be making this wreath here, and they're all from Dollar Tree. The whole structure is from Dollar Tree. Everything in this video is from Dollar Tree. So the second wreath I'm going to be making in my next video, but today we're going to be showing this one and how I did this gorgeous blingy glam luxury looking wreath. So stay tuned, and also if you're new to my channel, subscribe down below, hit the notification bell button for more DIYs. I'm going to be doing a whole Christmas series on DIYs, so you might want to subscribe and you might want to hit your notification bell button to see more of these videos. I'm going to be having wreaths, everything, Christmas trees, lots of stuff, so stay tuned for it, and we're going to be doing that. But get ready, I'm going to show you how I made this gorgeous wreath. It's so blingy, it's so glamorous. You'll probably never see this in the shop because it's all my idea, very original. So yeah, grab a coffee, grab a tea, and let's do this DIY video. Okay, so for this project you're going to need a lot of balls. Yes, you're going to need a lot of balls. So I have been going to different Dollar Trees. I have gone to almost 4 different Dollar Trees for this project. Yeah, 4 different Dollar Trees for this project. Probably 5 actually, if I'm trying to remember. Yeah, 5 different Dollar Trees for this project. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. About that. So get ready to spend $10 on these. So it depends if you don't want it too big. It just all depends on yourself. So I have the big sizes. So these are how the big sizes look like. I got really confused what I was seeing because I saw this size and I thought this was the biggest size, but I've known Dollar Tree have carried bigger sizes before. So this one here is a 7-piece. It has 7 pieces in it, and these are the largest balls that Dollar Tree carry. They do have some other big balls that are like as big as my hand, but they're not, you're not going to want it on this, basically. It's too big. Then one Dollar Tree, because that's why I say go to different Dollar Trees, because all of them, they carry the same stuff, but some have more abundance of certain items than others. So like these, I don't see these in my local Dollar Tree, but I found them in a different one, and it's 16-piece. Here they are. And these ones are just all glitter, and they're all silvers. And as you can tell, I'm doing a silver wreath. So this is the one you pretty much see in every single Dollar Tree. They have it in gold, white, and the traditional green and red. This is, you can see the texture. They have like this texture here, this texture over here, and then they have like the regular silver glittery balls. Then I found this type of ball here, which is I call like the chrome, not chrome look. No, I'm about to show you the chrome look. The matte look, and it's 15 pieces. Then to really offset everything and make it really interesting, I like texture and color. I found this version of it, and this is the chrome, like I'll say chrome mirrored look. So we're definitely going to use, and I only got one of those just for that reason, because I don't want too much of it. And you know, back to, I just have doubles of everything. So I also found bells. I might use bells in this, I might not, but I got them just in case. I probably might stick a few inside there. It gives it another type of texture. And I found disco balls that we're definitely going to stick inside there as well. So as you can see, I'm playing with texture and everything. I also got these. Dollar Tree always have these. Every single location has these. And it's just an ornament. I might use it, I might not use it. Another ornament that I got, which is, oh, it came out. I haven't seen it this year, but this was from 2016. I've had it that long, dolls. I've seen it in gold this year, I believe, but I've not seen it in this color. So this is probably going to be, most likely going to be on this project. I found these and I just like them. I think they're cute. We might use it. This cost a little bit more in other stores, and for 5 of them for $1, that's not bad. I found these as well. I was just attracted to these, and we're definitely possibly going to use it. It's just pretty. And then we might use this, but we're definitely going to use this in another project. I'm going to take all of this off If we use this, I'm taking all of this off the tinsel and putting it inside here, but we're definitely using this cone structure for another project. Okay, so those are those. This is for the wreath we're making. I'm now going to show you, oh, and then you're definitely going to need a wreath. Oops, so I got 2 wreaths. So I'm going to be making more wreaths this year, a ton of wreaths. I'm doing a lot of wreath making. That's the last thing you'll need for the wreath project, is an actual wreath. And the one I got, because they got 2, they got a small one and a big one. So the one I got inside Dollar Tree is 14-inch wreath. You can also, if you want a huge wreath and you want to do this really big, you can go to Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby have a huge wreath that is almost as big as this, bigger than this, bigger than what I'm showing you right now. It's huge. It wouldn't even fit in this camera frame. So that's what you would need for that. I decided to do a candy cane because I saw they have these candy cane wreaths. So I decided to do something with this, and this is, I bought 2. So they have them in Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making fur ones. And I found this inside, what's this store called? What is the store called? Oh my god, I forgot the name of the store. I'll get back to that. So you would need hot glue gun. For this whole project, you're going to need hot glue gun and a glue gun. And I got this. I'm going to be making a glam, because this is everything in this project is glam. So I'm going to be making, I got this online on Amazon, and as you can see, I use it in every single project and it's not finishing. But if you want to do it the most expensive way, then use Dollar Tree. You're going to be spending way more than $10. This literally cost me $10 plus free shipping with Amazon Prime. But if you want to go the long way, use Dollar Tree's strips, and they're going to cost you more than $10 because they're literally $1 for each strip, and it's probably going to take you forever to finish this. So, but I'm going to put the link down below if you want to be wise and use my link and use what I got, which is this off of Amazon, and this is way more inside here for the same exact stuff. Click the link below. So I'm trying to remember what store this came from, though. I'm trying. When I'm in Big Lots, there we go, it's right in front of me. For $4 I got this from Big Lots, and let's see how much is on the yard. So it's 9 feet long. That's a lot of yardage. So as you see, we're gonna have some fun with this. So which one do I start on first? These or these? We should start on the wreaths. So grab your coffee. You're definitely going to need coffee for this project. Grab your tea and let's get started on this for DIY. No, Christmas DIY. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is add this tinsel around, because I feel like it gives it some kind of base. So I'm just going to take it around, and I'm doing it like this. I'm not gluing it. I'm just wrapping it around. And this is how it would look like when you're done. It's starting to come along. So after that, I'm going to start like placing my balls. And as I said, it gives a base for your balls to rest on. So I'm going to just... how it should look like when you've done the first layer of the big balls. Now I must say, when you get towards the end, as you can see, it's not going to be, you can barely tell, I couldn't even find it, but I had to put like a medium-sized ball there because there was not enough space to fit a second ball in here. So but as you can see, it's hard to tell when you just like look at it from an aerial view. You can't even notice that that's there. So next I'm going to go in with the next balls, which would be the medium-sized balls. Let me just see how that's going to look like. So yeah, I think we do the medium-sized balls, and yeah, that'll be the next layer. So let's get started. I'm now gonna take the smaller balls, not the smallest, but the size down from the medium, and I'm gonna be mixing the chrome and the mattes together. And I'm just gonna put them, as you can see there's these holes here. We don't want that, we want everything very stuffed and filled. So I'm going to be putting them in between like this. So I'm gonna go all the way around. So I'm gonna be gluing them one by one to just fill those holes like this. Well, and I'm just gonna glue it all the way around. So filling the inside with this smaller ball, the smallest balls that they have in Dollar Tree, which is this size here, and I'm just going to be stuffing them in everywhere you can see glue marks or you can see a gap. I'm going to just stuff it inside like this with my glue gun. So just to really, you know, and there's 16 of them, so it will go all the way around. So that's what I'm going to do. And then right after that, I'm going to take these disco balls, call them disco balls, they really are disco balls, and they're very blingy, they're mirrored, and I think it's such a gem. Dollar Tree have these, they're very, you know, good pieces. And I'm going to just stick them on the out on this side all the way round. So can you believe we're using all Dollar Tree products here? I can't believe it, it's amazing. So I'm gonna do that inside first, and then I'm gonna do the outside with the disco balls. About 3 flowers around the whole parameter of this. So what I'm going to do is just, you can even just, okay, so I'm just going to glue them down, to be honest. And let it sit in the glue, and it's so gorgeous, dolls. I'm going to move it around here, take this one out. You can cut the stem off at the ends too, and just let it sit. And why I'm using only 3 is because it's going to become, you don't want it covering up a lot of the stuff, so 3 is good. So at 3 points of this, I'm going to do the same thing here. And cover like that, and I think it's gorgeous. You only need about 3. This is how it looks. I'm thinking whether I should put this in the middle or not. I think we'll put it in the middle. It's just, it just finishes it really good. But this is how it looks so far. So I'm just going to glue this down and we're done. We are done. It's so gorgeous. Wow, it's the most beautiful wreath I've ever seen. Oops, there's like a little bit of this that fell out. Oh my goodness. So glam, so gorgeous, and so blingy. Whoa, came out perfect. Okay, so I got an idea to put these inside. You see these? Last minute I changed my mind. It just wasn't working out, but you can do that. You can get this, and this is also in Dollar Tree, and just stick them inside with glue, you know. Let me know if that's a good idea, if you like it like this, and I can go back in and do it. So it's this piece here, but it is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. Wow, dolls, look at this. So gorgeous. Every single side of it is just beautiful. Wow. Whoa, starting to look a lot like Christmas now. So I've redone it and I have added those fern back inside, and oh my god, it looks so gorgeous with the fern inside. And I just stuck it in, I didn't glue it in, but you can glue it in if you want it to be secure. I would say glue it in. So here is how it looks. Whoa, like how gorgeous is this? Have you ever seen a wreath this pretty? This is just beauty at its finest. So anyway, here it is. So if you enjoyed this video, it cost less to nothing to make. Literally everything in this video other than the glue is from Dollar Tree. Wow. So can you believe this? This will run you almost $100, or at least $60 if you get this in the shop. So you can make this yourself for under $25 at Dollar Tree. Literally everything in here is under $25. It's so cheap and easy to make. Probably $20. You know, I'm saying 25, under 25, probably $20. So yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, dolls, give it a big fat thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe down below. Let me know what your favorite part of this video was, and if you're going to be making a wreath similar to mine, let me know. It's literally so glittery and so gorgeous. So if you do make one, tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it, and yeah, or email me a picture of it if you're not on Instagram. But here it is. Subscribe to my video, share this video on Facebook, on Instagram, and get it out there. So yeah, here it is, dolls. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. You know what, I told you that I was going to be doing this in this video. That's going to be my next video, because I didn't want to make it one long video. So I'm going to be doing this wreath next in my next video. So stay tuned. If you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and put the notification bell button on so you can see when I make this one. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video, which is that.